Hey guys, this is Scott. I wanted just to send in this video. This is a cross that my dad had made for his great-granddaughter. My mom wanted to put some roses in it. So it's pretty straightforward. We found some images and carved them in, but what we did a little bit unique with this one was we found where they hand wrote their names and we put the year, and when they did it in pencil, it just kind of came through very strange in the software. So kind of played around with the software, doing some things I haven't done before. And this is just kind of fun and unique to see how this one turned out. So hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.